So this one says Timothy purchased a computer for $1,000 and the value of the computer depreciates by 20% each year. So this one is what we call exponential decay because the value goes down every year. All right. And I'm just going to toss that to the side because it won't fit in the little thing there. Maybe it will. Let me see if I can make it fit. So that's exponential decay. Okay. So then what is the decay? What is the rate? Well, the rate is just going to be 0.2, right? Or let me put it this way, 0.2. Okay. And so the value of the computer, each year is what percent of the previous year? Well, you're just going to take, so the first year, the computer's worth 100%. And then after a year, we're going to subtract 20% from that, which is 80%, right? And then the next year, it'll be 80%. And the next year, it'll be 80%. So it's going to be 80%. And how long will it take for it to reach 512? So again, what we're going to have to do with this one is we're going to have to take and write this out. So I've got $1,000 as the initial value. I know that 1 minus the 0.2 is going to be 0.8. That's going to be raised to some value t. That's the number of years. And we want to know when it's going to equal 512. Okay. I'm just going to graph that real quick. So I'm going to take the left-hand side, y equals 512. I'll share my screen in a second, or I'll just copy and paste it. And then the initial value is 1,000. And I'm going to have to make that equal to 0.8 raised to the x. And I got to change that to around 512, so we'll say 510. And 515. So what I'm doing that you can't see on your screen, but you're going to in a second, is I'm just in Desmos graphing this. So this is what I graphed in Desmos. Okay. I just put that in Desmos, and then what I did is I am finding out where those two graphs intersect. And so they intersect right here. So what this is saying, where these two graphs intersect, it's saying that it's going to take 3 years, right? Because when t equals 3, right, the value of the computer is 512. Okay?